Presenting the Honor 2 BT Watch 2 with battery charcoal black. It comes with colorful touchscreen and resolution 454 by 454, multiple and customizable watch. It comes with 455 mAh battery, lasts for up to 2 weeks on a single charge. It supports optical heart rate sensor and it supports the tracking of stress for 24 hours. It also supports call waiting. It supports connectivity, Bluetooth 5.1 and compatible with Android and iOS. The delivery box contains charger. Product comes with standard brand warranty. For further information visit the product detail page.